the 3x3 Eyeopener speed cube. It's really weird. Like when I turn it like halfway, you shouldn't be able to turn it this way, but this cube is nice and that I still can. So here, I'll turn it most of the way, turn this side, and it snaps into place. It's really cool. It's pretty fast, pretty great, and as an added bonus, if you can't solve it, they give you stickers. So you can peel off the stickers here, and if they get all messed up and unsticky, extra stickers. So cool. But I'm just gonna solve it here. The camera like this. Hello. Hello. Now it's solved.